Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. In excellent condition. Now let's have a look inside. The driver's side is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, everything here looks perfect. Okay, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. That looks perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel buttons look fine, and the leather and stitching is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.